Right, guys, it's the old Ed shed. Just, I don't know. We're having trouble with the videos recently. Lack of enthusiasm, and also I cut my leg, and it went bad, really bad. I cut it looking for door repair panels for the other bloody Mk2, and it went rotten. My whole leg ended up ulcerated and nasty. So I've been on antibiotics for ages, and I'm really fed up. So I haven't done anything. I have done things. I've been moving around and I'm now up here with another one of the cars that's part of the Edgehead fleet, which is a rotten old turd. And I thought I sort of got up here with all this great enthusiasm, only to realise how rotten it was from here forward. Look at it. So I have been doing it, and I have got a plan. I've braced it, as you can see, because I think there's another video of this somewhere. I'm going to chop out loads of it. I'm going to chop it out. I've made up some new chassis legs that come to the front, to join up to the crow's feet, and I'm going to replace all that in there. I'm going to fitsy it in. So that's going to be done. And the cross member's going in, headlights going in, and it's going to be cleaned up. And it's a grey car, as you can see. Grey. Oh, it's grey. Oh, that's grey. It's grey. It's a grey car. Another one I had that was grey. And I'm going to have to get it back grey, but at the moment it's just a pain in the ass. Now, I'm not going to get depressed because I'm not allowed to. What's the point? There's a lot of people worse off than me, so I'm going to say, at the end of the day, I'm going to keep on. Now, obviously we've been putting those videos in the Aston Martin. I'd like to explain about the Aston Martin videos if you get this. The Aston Martin videos were done about 2 years ago, because the car's actually running and driving. And were done really with the worst camera in the world, really bad, loads of problems. And they're so out of sequence because they got downloaded from an old laptop onto a hard drive, and Lee doesn't make any sense of them. So from that point of view, we're going to have to say that they're just stuff. Now this is just crap. I know this is crap, and loads of people are going to hate it because Mk2s are just boring old bollocks. But reality is that this is an Edgehead take on a boring bollocks car, which is I'm going to just weld up the front end so I can get it into a car, because I've had this thing a bit of a long time, and it's another one that unfortunately needs sort of sorting out in the fleet, because I've worked out I'm not going to live forever unless I sort them out now and get them back in the order that they should be. My kids aren't going to be able to do it. So we're going to say that this at the moment is a sort of work in progress of repairing the front, because the back's okay, and it starts rotting about here and it goes to the front. Mainly because I think it was in the front at some time and it's bleeding, and I've had a front wing on it, but I've made up everything I need, and I'm going to cut out some top section out of this. I've got this is the front cross member, crow's feet, there's all I've done all that, so I've got everything I need to do it. But I've just got to get the enthusiasm to it. This is it's not bad. I've done a little bit today. I haven't done any welding, but I've cut them down. I've made them all fit. I've got everything I need to sort of get it in place, and I need to clear all that fucking black crap over there. So that's it. But I mean, we're not going to give up. Listen. One of the worst things about these cars is when you give up. Now, I've got to point out that this all started with just doing some repairs on the bottoms of the doors of my blue Mk2. And as you know, I got my door repair skins. There they are. Look. Right, I know they're like left over from how we used to use them. And they were really pretty good. Look, see? And I repaired the bottoms of the original doors, but I then found 2 more front doors, and this car needs 2 doors, so I've repaired all the doors. I'm doing them, but I am struggling with it, guys. It's really hard, because you got to have sort of like a plan, and I haven't really got a plan. I think when I say about the plan of what I'm doing, I've lost that plan. I had the idea was I wanted to get on with something else more important. I want to do my pagoda. I want to get it back. I've got 2 or 3 things I need to sort out before I can get the pagoda back here. and one of them is the roof leak. Because what's the point in bringing the car back here if it's going to get full of water? So at least we're down at Graham's, it's dry. So I'm going to keep saying to myself that I'm doing the right thing, which is get this piece of crap done, maybe get it better than you can see it now, get all the welding finished, and then I haven't got to do anything else. And then it's just a matter of actually sort of sorting out the paintwork, because it isn't actually, it's got to be, it's not actually the right colour. It's originally grey, it was painted green, and it's got to go back to grey. So I'm going to put it back to grey, which is on the cards. So I don't know how this is going to work out with, and I've also got to sort out my own jacking points on the front outriggers. I've got one factory one. I don't really want to use the factory one. I want to use, because I've only got one. I'm not buying another factory one, so I'm going to make my own out of 4x2 with some box section welded to them. So look forward to that. But I mean, I've got plenty to keep me occupied. I just have got a very, very lack of, since my leg's been poisoned, I've got a real problem with getting in like enthusiasm, because I don't want to get it worse, and it's like got something like an ulcer forming, which they'll keep telling me, if you get an ulcer on your leg, then you might as well give up now. So I'm not going to give up. I'm not going to anger it. I'm just going to keep trying to do it. So from the point of view of all the enthusiasts out there, I am trying. I'm bloody trying, Ringo. I'm trying real hard to be the shepherd and finish some of these bloody cars, which was the original idea. And yes, cars have flown in that you've never seen like this. But I've had it a while, and I'm going to try and sort it out. And as I said before, if you enjoy watching this crap, like, subscribe. If you want to follow me about, follow me about. And if you got any comments, please make them. Please make the comments, because, whether they're good or bad, at least they're a comment. Because, I enjoyed myself immensely with the old 2+2, with all the comments that weren't actually on YouTube, I must add. So I would feel a bit guilty, because I actually answered them on YouTube. I didn't answer them on when they made the comments on the different whatever. So, yeah, I will say that I'm probably going to get the same flack from the Mark II people. But you know what, guys? That's what he said. Don't watch. Don't look. Go back to watching the kiddies channel. That's what Matey said. He was quite, I don't know who it was, one guy. But anyway, I'm going to get on with it. And I'm hoping that tomorrow maybe I'll get a bit more enthusiastic for a big weldathon. I've got gas now. I've got new welding wire. I've got a new nozzle. Look, new nozzle. And I'm sort of hoping that I can get on and clean some of this up and start doing it. So, we'll say it's a wash on that one now, guys. And as I said before, waste your time wisely, because I've wasted an awful lot of time on things that I shouldn't have done and people that I shouldn't have done. So let's just say it this way: tomorrow's another day, and let's hope it's a better one than today. Bye for now.